The first bit of the second question, we have been given AB and CD as the diameters. And children, the diameter is a chord which subtends 90 degrees angle on any part of this, on any point on the circle. So this whole thing, angle A would be CAD will be 90. Similarly, this being another diameter, this would also subtend an angle of 90 as ADB. And simply here in this triangle ADB, if this is 90 and the given angle is 40 degrees, by angle sum property of ADB, I have 180 minus 130 comes to 50 degrees here. Right over here, this is 50 degrees. And you can see that AD is a chord which is subtending two angles at 2 points B and C, which will be every time equal. Therefore X will also be 50 degrees. And this story has been summarily written, and the explanation as it is follows in great detail. You are expected to write this if it happens to be a 3 mark or 2 mark question. Otherwise you could simply resolve the question by just using the pen and mind. In this second question, second bit, to increase the confusion, two diameters have been given, nothing else. Now just close this diameter and watch out for the POQ diameter. It subtends an angle of 90 degrees on any point on the circle, and X has been given and this has been declared as 30. And from this hint we can arrive at this being 90 minus 30 would be the complementary angle 60 degrees. And now once this 90 has been achieved, once this 60 has been achieved, we know that OQ and OB are radii of the same circle, therefore they are equal. OQ equals OB, and therefore these two base angles will be equal because angles opposite the equal sides are equal. Therefore this angle OQB is opposite this OQB is 60 degrees. And this is the notes for the same. By the semicircle is 90.